Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Rockstar Game Launcher won't open or work on your Windows PC. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So first of all, if it's not working or it's not assuming, then you want to check if it's just running in the background without showing itself in the window. So it's not enough just to close it normally. Sometimes you have to go to your task manager and then search for Rockstar Games. As you can see right here, it might be just running in the background. So you're going to make sure that you search for it, and then when you search for it, you're going to just make sure to click End Task on it. Once you make sure that it's closed, then you're going to search for it again for Rockstar Games, and then you're going to right click on Rockstar Game Launcher. Then from here, you're going to open file location. Once you go to open file location, you might have to do it again. So just open file location. And then once you go to the main launcher right here, you're going to just right click, go to properties. From properties, you can go here to the compatibility section. Make sure that you run the compatibility mode as for Windows 8. And then from here, going to click run this program as administrator. Then click apply, then OK. One final thing we can do is from here going to search for Windows Security or Windows Defender. Once you go to Windows Security, it's going to show you this image right here. And then from here, you can go to Virus and Threat Protection. Then from here, you're going to click on Manage Settings. Then from here, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see the word Exclusions. And you're going to click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Once you go right here, you can add another exclusion. So you're going to click on it. Click on File. And then from the file, you're going to search for the same file that we have searched for Rockstar Games. So you can find it right here from the same folder. Just copy this, go back to this folder right here, and then paste it. Once you paste it, it's going to show you back right here, and then you're going to select the launcher. And then we're going to add another exclusion, which is just the folder itself. So we're just going to search for the folder again. Once we find the folder, then you're going to just make sure to choose the entire Rockstar game folder. So just search for right here, whatever you installed it. Select folder, and now they're here. And then once again, after all this is done, you can restart your computer, and that should solve all your problems. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.